Dear learners, welcome to the NIOS studio. Today, the topic that we are going to deal is state of matter. First of all, we need to understand that why do have different types of states of matter. The reason behind the different types of states of matter are the intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. The forces which act between the atoms and molecules are responsible for the structure of atom. And the interaction forces between molecules are known as intermolecular forces. Here, the different type of intermolecular forces gives the reference for different types of states of a matter that existed. We are already aware that three types of matter existed, that are gases, liquid and crystalline solid. The gases are due to the fact that the spacing between the intermolecules are very large. Therefore, they are not having a definite shape and the size. But when these gases are cool or compress, the spacing between the intermolecules decreases and turns to be in the state of liquid. The liquid is a state of matter which has a definite volume but no shape of its own. It takes the shape of the vessel in which it is placed. As you can see in the diagram, we had already shown 4 different shapes of vessel, where when the liquid, or can say a water, is poured, it takes the shape of that particular vessel. Therefore, we can say that yes, they are not having a definite shape but have their own volume. We should know that what is actually a solid and why this state exists. Therefore, we can say solid is a state of matter which has a definite shape and a definite volume. To make this more clear, we had already shown some diagrams consisting of different shapes, and they are the first one, the cube, the sphere, a rectangular prism, a pyramid, cylinder and a cone. All the shapes are having definite shape as well as they will be having a definite volume. Why there is a difference in these two states, and to emphasize on its learning, we must know that this behavior is accounted by the fact that the strength of forces between molecules of solid is maximum. For liquids, it is less, and for the gases, it is the least, which is easily explained by this slide, where you can see the empty space between the particles. The first slide shows the state of a gas, and you can easily differentiate that the space between the particles in the gas are very high. When the temperature is lowered, it will turn to the state of liquid because the spacing reduces between the particles. And with further decrease of temperature, they form a solid. In the solid, you can see the particle distance is the least. The reverse can be done or can be achieved by heating the particles. The more the heat, the more the distance, and again the state changes, first from solid to liquid and then from liquid to gas. The disorder of the particles or the cluster of the particles are free to move in the case of gases and liquid, but this is not the case with the solid. Thank you.